Can I change my Wi-Fi SSID name?
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk through the process of changing your Wi-Fi SSID name. Your SSID, or Service Set Identifier, is the name that people see when they search for available Wi-Fi networks. Changing your SSID name can help you easily identify your network or increase its security.
Why would I want to change my Wi-Fi SSID?
Your default SSID name is typically the name of the manufacturer or internet service provider, and it might not make sense or be easy to remember. If you change it to something unique and memorable, it'll be easier to find your network when you need to connect. Furthermore, a default SSID name might reveal the make or model of your router to potential hackers. Changing the SSID can provide an extra layer of security.
What do I need to change my Wi-Fi SSID?
To change your SSID, you'll need 1. Your router's IP address. 2. The admin username and password for your router. 3. A new SSID name. Please remember, it's best to avoid using personal information in your SSID to maintain your privacy.
How can I change my Wi-Fi SSID?
Follow these steps to change your Wi-Fi SSID. Step 1. Open a web browser and type your router's IP address into the address bar. Press Enter. Step 2. You should see a login page. Enter your admin username and password. Step 3. Once you're logged in, look for the wireless settings. This may vary depending on your router's interface. Step 4. In the wireless settings, find the SSID field. This is your current Wi-Fi name. Replace it with your new one. Step 5. Save your changes and exit the router's interface. Your new SSID should now be visible to all devices. You'll need to reconnect all your devices using the new SSID name. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change your Wi-Fi SSID name. We hope this has been helpful, and that you feel more comfortable with customizing your Wi-Fi network. Keep exploring and learning.